ICE introduces Cut the Rope, a pure skill game. Cut the Rope has been downloaded 200 million times. This multi-award-winning app is one of the most recognizable brands across all demographics. Here is a way to get this popular brand right into your establishment. Licensed by the creators of Cut the Rope, Innovative Concepts in Entertainment has developed this 100% skill game. Careful manipulation of the joystick positions the patented vacuum mechanism that automatically sets in motion a prize-winning attempt. A 30-year worldwide leader in coin-operated amusement games, ICE manufactures and produces this game to the highest standards, guaranteeing years of trouble-free operation. Well lit and mirrored, players have a clear and uncluttered view of possible prizes. Additionally, a built-in prize shelf clearly displays merchandise that can be won. The setup is simple. The game operator must position the prizes in the star grid to ensure successful play. Targets vary in size and difficulty. This allows you, the game operator, the flexibility to choose prizes and targets based on Innovative Concepts in Entertainment also offers a complete Cut the Rope merchandise kit with decals and other material to make this a truly plug-and-play merchandiser with minimal setup. Options are available to optimize the game for your establishment to maximize profitability and security. Cut the Rope, another designed and produced in America game from ICE, bringing you the games more people play.